take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home, country road.
Come here, deep breath. Okay.
Choir rules, yeah! Urbandale #1. That was
I'd
great.
say as a first time coming down, it's a really great experience. So it's awesome.
We had a wonderful time.
We're at a dance party.
We're gonna go dance.
He's just good fruit. But two cats can't grow. One of them's got fucked. Hey, you got the two country road.
If Mamira was here, you'd do the funky chickens.
Goosey police. So come on, all you Star fans. Come on, all you Star fans. And shake your caboose. And shake your caboose.
Millard West High School Uptown Girls from Omaha, Nebraska, Spanish Fork High School Ambassadors, Spanish Fork, Utah, Edmond Memorial High School Act 2 from Edmond, Oklahoma, Appomattox, Regional Governors School of the Arts, Razzmatazz, Petersburg, Virginia, Highland High School Starlighters from Anderson, Indiana, from Americus, Georgia, Americus High School Singers, Mesa Gilbert High School, Light from Mesa, Arizona, from the great of California, Diamond Bar High School Marketing Director Dave Willard from Alaska, Soldotna High School Swinging Stars from Millard West High School, West in the Groove, Omaha, Nebraska, all the way from Pennsylvania, West Allegheny High School Show Choir from North High School, Northern Lights, North St. Paul, Minnesota, all the way from Trenton, Ohio, Edgewood High School Coralie. All the way from Alabama. We met some people from Alabama today. Albertville High School, Center State from Sherwood, Arkansas. Sylvan Hills High School, Sylvan Sun from Anderson, Indiana. Highland High School Singers directed by Laura Dyer. Potomac, Maryland. Ladies and gentlemen, Winston Churchill High School Showstoppers. The Butler Community College Headliners. Fifth runner-up, Hurricane High School Red Hot. Fourth runner-up, Johnston High School Innovations. Third runner-up, Pleasant Hill High School Hillside Singers. Second runner-up, Studio 2004 Urbandale High School. First runner-up, from Wisconsin, Parkview High School, Parkview Pizzazz. The Show Choir Cup goes to Finley First Edition. Stand up and cheer.
Again. How many of you came here tonight to have a good time? Make some
This is Bradley from Albertville, Alabama. Internet!
All right.